Dear student, welcome to this study video. This video presented by Param Guru Patsala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Chauhan Snehal. Today we are going to teach in GK subject. Class 1st, Unit number 3rd. They made us proud to be Indian. Part 1. Topic cover is Introduction and famous leaders. Okay, so we are going to start this study video. So let's start our lesson. Our third number lesson in GK name They Made Us Proud to Be Indians. So here look at the picture of this lesson. Okay, so here given some freedom fighters, our famous leaders. Identify the famous leaders who made us proud to be Indians. Okay, here given 6 picture of our famous leaders. Okay, so in this given box you have to write the name of these freedom fighters, yeah, famous leaders name. So, student, in this lesson, given help box also given. So, there Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, here 6 pictures given, and there famous leaders name also given, but here given their nickname. Then famous person to give people's name. Okay, Bapu, Iron Man of India, Chachaji, Nightingale of India, Netaji, Gurudev. Okay, here their name given to be proud. Okay, so here today we are going to teach in a first leaders. First leaders of Bapu. Bapu means our father of the nation. So you know this father of the nation. So I give you to detail in this information about Gandhiji. Okay, would you like to teach about? Would you like to learn about Gandhiji? Yes, very good. So let's start our first characters about Gandhiji called Bapu and our father of the nation. Okay, so start. First, Gandhiji. Gandhiji, their his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on a 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. Okay, Gandhiji was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, a small town on the western coast of India. Okay, Gandhiji's birthday is on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar village. Okay, so Gandhiji born in our Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi is the surname. Okay, Gandhi is the surname, and Gandhiji's famous name by his surname. His mother's name was Putlibai. Her name was Putlibai. Okay, his mother name was Putlibai. He never ate non-vegetarian food because once when he ate mutton, he felt like a real goat was bleeding in his stomach. Why? Because he never ate non-vegetarian. Why? Because once when he ate mutton, we felt like a real goat was bleeding in his stomach. He completed his high school in India. He studied in a college called Samardas at Bhavnagar. Okay, he complete his higher schools in high school in India. He studied in a college called Samardas at Bhavnagar. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, well known as the father of India, a father of the nation, because he was the man who struggled for the India from British rules. Gandhiji was well known as Bapu. Okay, Gandhiji was well known as Bapu. He was died on 30 January. He was died on a 30 January in Delhi by Nathuram Godse. Gandhiji fight the first to gain independence through non-violence. Okay, so he is this famous person. Gandhiji full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi is the surname of Gandhiji. Okay, on a he was born on a 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, a small town on the western coast of India in our Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putli Bai Gandhi. He never ate non-vegetarian food because once when he ate mutton, he felt like a real goat was bleeding in his stomach. He completed his high school in India. He studied in a college called Samardas at Bhavnagar. Okay, so Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi, well known as the father of India, and second thing is well known as Bapu. And why father of India? Because he was the man who struggled for the India from British rule. Gandhiji well known as the Bapu. He was died on a 30 January in Delhi by Nathuram Godse. Gandhiji fight the first to gain independence through non-violence. Okay, our next famous leader is Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel. So Sardar Patel full name is Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. Okay, Sardar Patel was an Indian politician. He served as the first deputy prime minister of India. He served as the first deputy prime minister of India. Okay, सरदार पटेल कौन थे? फर्स्ट डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. So Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, was born on 31st October 1875. Which day? Sardar Patel, our Iron Man of India, was born on 31st October 1875 in a small village in Nadiad. His father Jhaverbhai Patel was a simple farmer and mother Ladbai. Okay, his father name was Jhaverbhai. Sardar Patel father name is Jhaverbhai Patel and he is a simple farmer and mother name is Ladbai, was a simple lady. From his childhood itself, Sardar Patel was a very hard-working individual. They live in the village of Karamsad. in the Kheda district of the Bombay Presidency. Then, during a fight for freedom, Sardar Patel left his profession of lawyer and joined freedom movements. For freedom of motherland, he gave up his flourishing career. After freedom, he was elected as a deputy prime minister of India. Being home minister, he lived very simple life. He achieved Bharat Ratna award in 1991 after died. He was died on 15th December 1950. Okay, so again I repeat it, Sardar Patel information. So our famous leader and famous freedom fighter who made us proud to be in Indians to our Sardar Patel. So Sardar Patel full name is Vallabhbhai Jhaveri Patel. His popularity known as a Sardar Patel was an Indian politician. He served as the first deputy prime minister of India. Sardar Patel is our first deputy prime minister of India. Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, was born on 31st October 1875 in a small village in Nadiyad. His father Jhaveri Patel was a simple farmer and mother Ladbai was a simple lady. From his childhood itself, Sardar Patel was a very hard-working individual. They live in a village of Karamsad in the Khera district of the Bombay Presidency. During a fight for freedom, Sardar Patel left his profession of lawyer and joined freedom movements. For freedom of motherland, he gave up his flourishing career. After freedom, he was elected as Deputy Prime Minister of India. Being Home Minister, he lived very simple life. He achieved Bharat Ratna Award in 1991. He was died on 15 December 1915. Okay, so student, you got it. First famous leader of Gandhiji and second one is Sardar Patel. So our next leader is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru, too well known as a Chacha Ji. Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name is Motilal Nehru and his mother name is Swarup Rani. Okay, his sister name is Vijaya Lakshmi. Nehru was married to Kamala Nehru on 18th February 1960. Nehru's family was of Kashmiri Brahmin. Okay, Saraswat Brahmin caste. So Nehru's one daughter name is Indira Gandhi. So Nehru is the very famous person because Nehru's birthday all of you know one as a Children's Day. Okay, so student, in our study we have to learn famous leaders. Bapu, Iron Man of India, Chachaji, all are our famous leaders. So in our famous leaders to be made us proud to be Indians. So these three, first Bapu, Iron Man of India and Chachaji, to the well known name of these characters, yeah, famous leaders. So first our father of the nation Gandhiji, then second one is Sardar Patel, it's known as Iron Man of India, and third one is Chachaji. Okay, so here three person to know one as our famous leader, our famous freedom fighters. So here Gandhiji is the say every time truth, and he is the non-vegetarian food, not eat any and never. Okay, so here is the vegetarian person and they are non-violent through the non-violent. Okay, so second one is Sardar Patel is the our Iron Man of India, and third one is Nehru ji called Chacha ji. So In this lesson, you learn about 3 characters, and our next video we will learn Nightingale of India called Wo Sarojini Naidu, and second is Netaji. Netaji means Subhash Chandra Bose, and third one is Gurudev means Rabindranath Tagore. In the 3 next characters means our famous leaders to be made us proud to be in Indian to learn in our next video. So let's revise our lesson. Okay, here met the followings. Gandhiji's birthday. Which day Gandhiji's birthday? So here 2nd October. Which day? 2nd October. And which since 1869. Okay, 1869. 2nd October 1869. Then Chachaji. Whose famous name of Chachaji? Nickname of Chachaji? So Jawaharlal Nehru. And Sardar Patel, famous as a Iron Man of India. Understood all of you? Very good. So I give you one homework same as this classwork. Which one? Same as classwork. Met the followings. Write down in your notebook this same as classwork. So student, in this lesson related, I give you 2 homework. This one write down in your notebook one time, and remember to these famous leaders you see in a pictures in this our video. Okay, in this our video, Gandhiji, Sardar Patel and Chachaji, and read the Gandhiji's biography. Okay, Gandhiji's biography to Satyagrah, then other books related Gandhiji. Other books is सत्याग्रह, मरी हकीकत. ओके, वो सब है उनकी बुक्स. सो स्टूडेंट, you take some information about these books and read these books and take some information about these Gandhiji's characters and Sardar Patel and Nehruji. So it's our politicians, famous politicians and famous person. Okay. So again I repeat it. 2nd October, Gandhiji's birthday. Then 14 November 1819, whose birthday? Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. And Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is a Children's Day. And Sardar Patel birthday is 31st October 1875. And Sardar Patel live in a small village of Karamsad, and they are born in a Nadiyad. And Gandhiji's birthday 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat state. Okay, the small town of Gujarat, Porbandar. And their father name is Karamchand Gandhi and mother name is Putli Bai. And Sardar Patel father name is Javer Bai and mother name is Lad Bai. Okay, and Nehruji's birthday 14th November 1819 and born in Allahabad, and father name is Motilal Nehru and mother name is Swarup Rani. So all of you know this one. Okay, so write down this homework in your notebook one time and read the other materials to give information. Bapu, Iron Man of India and Chachaji, to collect other information about these 3 characters and our next 3 person, our famous leaders who will learn motto made us proud to be Indian. Okay, these three characters learn in our next video. So, goodbye student. See you soon.